Traders War Room proudly presents the daily video with the best trading and investing alerts anywhere on any platform. With up-to-date stock, chart, and market news, TWR is simply your one-stop shop. Thirsty Thursday and Lotto picks. Stay tuned at the end for TWR Hot Products and Services. Comments from the front line. I want you guys to meet Seibel. He took advantage of the 2-day trial, and now he's a full-time TWR market warrior. Let's listen what he had to say. Too many disappointments in various servers, and it sucks that they treat you like you're disposable. This server is a different breed. If it weren't for the free trial, I would have never known what this was exactly. He ended up getting Nitro, and he boosted our server. And we appreciate your loyalty and support, brother. Let's go to war together and make some money. Now it's your turn. Be like Seibel and join today. Tell a friend, and let's go to war together. Up next is a short description of what we offer on TWR. Activate your 2-day trial of TWR All Access on the Discord platform. Alert update. I always like to kick things off with a loss if we take it, because I want you guys to know that, we're not perfect. We do get a lot, but we do get some of them wrong. Like this trade, we went in early at a 408 put, 21 April. We went in at 58. It started bottoming out pretty decent, and it hit our stop loss level, so we pulled out at 25. So we have to eat that one. But if you cut early, you get to live another trade. Now on to the winners. We took this trade here, SPY 415 call. We went in at 49, trimmed out at 65, stop loss above break even, risk-free trade. AMD, fantastic runner on this. It was a swing trade, 93 call, 28 April, entered in at 97, trimmed main position out at 151, and we have stop loss set at 120, so it's risk-free all day, every day, baby. Microsoft, this wasn't actually a quick play. As soon as we hopped in at 88, it almost went to 95 almost immediately. And then we went ahead and trimmed out most of our position over there at 112. And we went ahead and brought that stop loss again above break even. And we keep the trade risk-free. If you're not noticing it, there's a trend, okay? One of the things, especially in volatile markets that like to reverse and do 180s on a dime, you take profits, then you move your stop loss along with the trade, so you're basically riding the wave. Disney put, fantastic swing trade. We entered this a while ago at 98 put, and we entered in at 102. We went ahead and closed out a position at 143 today, and that's a full position out. Decent gains right there. Check out this overnight snipe. We went ahead and got into Netflix 330 calls at 175, swung it over the night. Come out of the position today at 245, and again, always bringing that stop loss above break even, making everything risk-free and all profit. I want to highlight Shiner's play right here. He had a fantastic Tesla Lotto. He entered that 180 put at 550, swung it over the night. And because of the downward trend that Tesla had, he was able to come out at $14.50, and that's over $900 profit right there. So that was a fantastic trade on a swing trade overnight. Now, I want you guys to understand, lottos are just that. They're a gamble. However, but when they go right, they pay huge, as you can see right here. Great trade on FDX, 235 call, enter in at 101. Come out 132, and all you do is you put that stop loss at break even or above, and it's risk-free, all profit. Now, here's a big boy play, okay? Look at this. SPY, 392 put, going all the way out until August, right? 838 per contract. Now, understand with the big boy plays, you don't want to touch these unless you got the capital to back it up, or you have over 25K in an account, and that's what we suggest. However, with big boy plays come big boy profits, and very quickly, mind you. Look at this right here. Hardly any time after this was sent, and boom, up already 8% on the day, and that's $72. And we're running this over the weekend. So fantastic trade right there from one of our analysts with the big boy trade. $100 to $1,000 per day is possible as a trader's war room market warrior. So quit wasting that money that's not making money and join TWR today. All links are in the description. Stocks I like. Here's how the alerts will go. Purple line, that's the bow zone. That's where the fight is going to happen at. And then the blue line on a break from the battle zone, that's where we're looking for follow through to the bull side. And the red line is going to be follow through to the red side. All right, so SPY's at a weird area. Kind of feeling a little downward pressure here recently, but we're holding this support line at the 410 fairly well. It likes to reject from that point. So battle zone 413 to 410. If we break solidly above or below those, we got some nice, decent run places where we can go. I think if we break 410, we're probably going to hit a little cascading effect to the downside, which might give us some follow through going into 406. But if we break the top, we're probably going to go up, retest that 416, and probably see a little bit of resistance from there. And then depending on what the Fed says and all that type of stuff, we could explode out into 420 or come back and bounce around between 413 and 416 for a while. Microsoft, it came down to the downside. I think we got a little bit lower to go. I think we're going to retest that 284, 283 area. If we break below that, we'll probably go and pop back down to 282, where we have quite a bit of support down there. So we'll probably see a rejection. However, if we can break to the upside, 289, easy pass, and we could even shoot up as far as into the 290s. Tesla, kind of a difficult chart, so I put the fibs on here as well. The fibs are in the blue. You got the battle zone there, 165, 160. In between that, we get breaks to the upside, and we can utilize the fibs as lines of effort, but I think we get follow through on a break to the upside into 172. If we break lower, looking like 155, and I wouldn't be surprised, specifically with the issues with the earnings call and the rocket ship that blew up today, we might be on our way back down into the 150s here very soon. Snap, I still like Snap for share accumulation. Right now with options, it's not moving really enough one way or the other to make any decent money off of options. We missed kind of the downward trending effect. I do think we find support down here. We bounce to the upside, but again, we're only pushing, maybe 50 to 75 cents, which really won't do much for contracts. However, leaps, good idea to the call side. And also, like I said, share accumulation. Anything down here at this level, I like to pick up shares. You wouldn't be hurting yourself if you picked up 100 shares. Expect to hold those 3 to 5 years, and I think you'll be 3x. Roku is interesting. We're kind of consolidating within a range. We do look pretty bearish on this. I think that we come down to the downside. However, it's been holding this level for a while. So retest of the downward side, we probably get the rejection back up to the upside. But we got some battle zones here. So 62, we get close above that. We can go easily push back into the 66, 67. If we close below that 56 range, we're looking like we're going to go retest the lower 50s. And Procter & Gamble, this is a pretty decent looking chart here, looking like it wants to break out and make new all-time highs. So we'll be looking at this one for a potential breakout play, anything above that 152, and we gotta respect the trend and think bull push at least to 155 and see how they do. If we pierce the lower level, we're probably looking at a push down to 145, and we can even go into the 140s as we have strong support down there. Upcoming events. Plan your battles with Traders War Room Classes. Join TWR on 23 April at 1 p.m. Central Standard Time and learn how to trade and find chart patterns utilizing technical analysis with TWR instructor Chuck Fu. Technical analysis exists because market trends exist, and those trends create patterns. The big difference between new traders and experienced traders is the ability to find the trade before the break, up or down, for a huge profit gain. That's where TWR comes in. Chuck Fu will teach you what to look for in A+ setups so you can win and make money. Register for class today. The link is in the description, or go to traderswarroom.com/upcoming classes. I will see you there, and as always, let's go to war. Join the TWR Investment Club. Are you tired of trading alone, losing more than you're winning? Or are you just too busy with work, family, and life to focus and hit the market bullseye? If that's you, then join the TWR Investment Club. We trade the account for you and then pay you profit and loss distro. Year to date, TWR is up 22%. We run both a 30-day and a 6-month club. Sign up today for TWR's next ITC club, which is the Christmas Club. The club runs from 1 May to 1 December, and all P&L will be distroed just in time for Christmas. Sign up today for any questions as the club closes on 20 April, and the link is in the description. The market is our war zone, and stocks are the battle. Join TWR and let's go to war. Make the market bend the knee in 2023. Join Traders War Room and bow to no one. Let's go to war.